Good evening, sir and madam. My name is Vishakha Magerao. Subject e-commerce. Topic name order management cycle. Order management. This process is called order management, which is basically keeping track of customer orders and handling the step involved with the fulfilling them. The process is generally consists of accepting the order, picking, packing, and shopping the items mentioned in the order. Finally, tracking them till they get delivered. Order management cycle OMC includes eight different activities: order planning and order generation, cost estimation and pricing, order selection and privatization, order receipt and entry, order scheduling, order fulfillment and delivered, order billing and payment management, order service and support. Cataloging. E-commerce catalog management is a dynamic process where the products are organized in a specific way to across the to ensure consistent of higher quality data across sales channel. Any online cataloging provide a product name, description, hierarchy, price, supplier, and other related data. For example, a product cataloging is the Amazon marketplace where can get a host of information in single click. Think about a book that you been trying to buy. List of all information that you needed. First, order planning and order generation. The business process being with any actual placed by the customer. The sale and marketing function worry about the order generation. Second, cost estimation and pricing. Pricing is the bridge between customer needs and company capabilities. Evaluation the cost of filing each order. Third, order selection and privatization. Customer service representation are responsible for the choosing which order to accept and which decline. Not all customer order are consistent equally. Fourth, order receipt and accounting. After the acceptable price, the customer enter the order receipt and entry fees of OMC. This order taken by the customer service responsibility representative how are in consistent contract with the customer. Fifth, order scheduling. During the order scheduling phase, the privatization order get into any actual product or operation sequence. This task will become difficult because the different departments have confined goals. 6. Order fulfillment and delivery. During the phase, the actual product or service is delivered. Order fulfillment involves multiple functions and locations. In some business, fulfillment include third-party vendors. 7th, order billing and payment management. After the order has been fulfilled and delivers bill the typical handling by the finance department. This department gets the bill out effectively and close collect very quickly. Post sale service. Customer service involved installment of product and repair maintenance. 8. Customer service and support. This service gives customer efficiency, company profitable year. Thank you.